Artoonza.
Hey there, explosive artists. Did you know the letter F is hiding a firecracker secret? Today, we're turning it into the most spectacular firecracker that'll light up your imagination.
Wow.
Your parents will thank me later. Give us your like. We're mixing glitter, glossy polish, paint droppers, and a tiny naughty vacuum. This firecracker will be so sparkly, even the New Year's fireworks might get jealous.
Aww.
Get ready to drop paint like it's hot and create a boom-tastic masterpiece. It might make your goldfish do a backflip. Grab your supplies and let's spark some seriously fun art magic together. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Time to drop it like it's hot. Red paint drops go splat, splat, splat. Then we swoosh them around. Our firecracker gets a fancy red jacket. Give us a big thumbs up. This is so amazing.
So cute.
Are we painting nails or firecrackers? Yes. Yellow glossy polish makes it shine brighter than your mom's earrings. So shiny, you might need sunglasses. It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Shh, don't tell my mom. Round 2. Yellow paint drops fall like sunshine raindrops. Our firecracker is now the fanciest, sparkliest explosion ever. Professional fireworks are jealous. Smash that like button now. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.